Aquarius, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is the new moon in Gemini reading for you guys, and thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity. And yeah, if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the Good Tarot deck I'm using right now. This is the deck. I hope you can see this. Yeah. And yeah, let's start your reading, Aquarius. Let's see what is coming for you for the new moon in Gemini, because new moon brings new hopes, new thinking, new approach. Yeah. So let's see what is coming for the Aquarius. Let's cut the deck for you. Take a deep breath. Okay, this is for the Aqua. Whoa, 10 of Cups right off the bat. Wow. Wow. So Ace of Swords, beautiful. Clarity. 2 of Cups, wow. 4 of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Sun right in the heart of your spread. Wow. So Aquarius, do you know what is it? This is the Leo, your 7th house, the natural 7th of yours, your partnership house. Some of you are dealing with the Leo, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Magician. Okay. 9 of Wands. Okay. So let's see what is under the deck. Empress. Okay, so Aquarius, I'm feeling that you are very happy right now. You are enjoying the life, enjoying the moment. You are having very high vibration energy in your internal self. Yeah, inner self. You're carrying very great high vibration energy. You're enjoying the life, which is great. With the Ace of Swords, 2 of Cups, and the 4 of Pentacles, I'm feeling that someone was holding back before, but now the truth has come out that they have true feelings for you. See? Holding back before, truth coming out about the feelings. So no more holding back, because you know the truth. This is the truth, that they have feelings for you, they have true love for you, they love you a lot. This is a soulmate connection. With the King of Pentacles, Sun, and the 9 of Cups, very beautiful 3 cards. There is an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. And for some of you it is a Leo specific, and they want to spend time with you, because you are very like highlighted in the society, Aqua, and they can see your light. You can see this, these 3 cards, you can see this. I hope you can see these. Yeah, so they want to spend time with you because you make them happy. Oof. Wow. Okay, so Aqua, 7 of Cups, Magician, and the 9 of Wands. You have so many options, or will have so many options, and because you want to manifest something, and you are working hard, like you have your guard up about making this situation happen. Like you are not giving up on this. You are not giving up on this situation. Whatever you want to manifest, you are not giving up. So many beautiful cards. I'm not feeling any bad energy. So let's see what is this 10 of Cups about. Okay, for the Aquarius. Moon, 8 of Wands, Tower. Okay, so Aquarius, I'm feeling that definitely whatever was hidden before will come to the light, because this is the Tower moment. This Tower moment will help you, and the communication will happen. Like something is hidden from you, then communication is happen, and bam, you know something which was very important to know, for important to you. Like you have to know about it. Universe need you to know about it. And for some of you, I'm feeling that this is the person For some of you who are dealing with Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio, Aries also here. So communication is the key. I'm feeling like this because you are feeling very happy, and you didn't expect this kind of thing or situation in your life, because you were very happy, you were very balanced, very content, and then something was secretive, and you have some kind of information about it, and you will surprise it about it. What is this? Four of Pentacles here. Patience, divine timing. Okay. Hanged Man, stuckness, Pisces. Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, the person was not speaking before in the past. They were holding back because they think that whenever will be the divine timing, the truth will come out, and truth has come out, because now is the divine timing. The stuckness will be over, and you will feel that, yeah, the person I'm feeling that you have changed your mind about that person after knowing the truth. There is some kind of perspective of yours about that person, specific person, and now you have changed your mindset about them. You have changed your thoughts about them. Changing of thoughts. Sun and Star. Really? Five of Swords, Six of Cups. Okay, so I was telling you that this is your natural seventh, Sun and Star. So now both of you are coming together, because this is soul, this is Sun, and this is Star, destiny, and this is both of you, past life soulmates. So you are coming together. The confusion was happening because of the conflicts, because of the fights, because of the arguments. So definitely there will be some kind of resolution about it. What is this Magician? Why is this Magician doing here? Why is this Magician here? Queen of Wands, Five of Wands, Seven of Swords. Okay, okay, Seven of Swords with the Magician is not a good combination, Aquarius. Yeah, because Magician and with Seven of Swords, they can use whatever they wanna use to get you back in their life, because they are very dramatic. With the Queen of Wands, I'm feeling that they are very seductive, like very you know about it, seductive. Okay, you feel attracted to them, you feel very passionate about them, but you don't want to be stuck in the conflict, in the magic of their beauty. Yeah, this is, I'm feeling like that. So don't stuck in the magic of their beauty. Yeah, because they can use wrong things, or right or wrong, to get you back. Yeah. Nine of Wands for the Aqua. Page of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Six of Wands. I'm feeling that you have your guard up, because you know that whichever will your best person will come towards you, and this is them, the new person, and they want to collaborate with you. They can see your worth, your light, your happiness, your position in the society. They want to be happy with you, Aquarius. So I'm feeling that you don't know about something, but you were very happy, and the person was holding back before. Now the truth has come out, and they are very regretting. They were using bad tactics, good tactics. What? They are using good and bad, right or wrong things to get you back. Yeah, I'm feeling this is for the money, for some of you, because you are King of Pentacles, very stable, so they want money from you, for some of you. Yeah, so this is, I'm getting from your reading. I hope this will resonate with you, Aquarius. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.